say anything? Are you gonna say anything? Tell me to go? All right, guys. Jordan here, Teddy Morse, Daytona Harley, MORSE SPEED. We've got Prentice's relative here, Ryan. What is it, 23 Softail. This is a stock-headed 128 we did a few months back. This has got a bolt-in cam, kind of a unique situation on this. It's a Star 3030, zippers, 10.8, cylinder piston kit to make it a 128. Stock head, stock valve spring, 64 mil, 5.5 injector. It's got a Screaming Eagle, the stock breather on an ST. Sony dual, brother. You guys see that down there? This thing made a boatload of torque. So it's a stump puller, made like 155 foot-pounds of torque and only like 120 or 125 horsepower. Ryan wants horsepower, and that's exactly what we're gonna give him.
More power, baby.
More power. So this is gonna be a unique situation where we kind of massage what the customer has. This isn't gonna be a kit. We kind of had to part this together. We're doing the best bang for the buck, utilizing what he has and massaging. So we're keeping the zippers 128 cylinder piston kit. We called up Steve at Zippers, took care of us. Got a set of these. This is a positive 1.9 cc piston. He sent a set of Screaming Eagle plus one heads out to Shop 67 in upstate New York, Joey Wells. So with this, it's a plus one Screaming Eagle head, and we just got a full recondition on it. New guides, valve job. He went ahead and welded the deck closed here, and we went ahead and trimmed this for our compression ratio. Our static compression on this build, we're gonna be roughly around 11.8. So we're gonna verify that once we get the deck bridge, and we've got some gaskets, so we're gonna zero everything out, and we should be around 11.8. We will be running the Shop 67 57X camshaft, Screaming Eagle ventilator, air cleaner. Like I said, he's already got a 64 mil. We've got a set of HBI 6.2 injectors, but they're somewhere. We will be removing the Sony duals and going to a fuel moto jackpot. Prentice bought this for his bike, and now he's got a Thunderheader, so perfect candidate. This thing's gonna make some power. We're pretty pumped. We're running stock crank. We just did this, so we're gonna go ahead and reuse the Fueling Race Series full travel lifters, SNS push rods. He's already got Star Racing cuffs in there. So yes, this is gonna be a beautiful kit. On the primary side here, we're gonna be adding the Trask billet basket. We're gonna be running stock clutch plates in there, the power plate, the Star Racing comp ramp with the heads. We will be upgrading to the 640 PSI wire from Star Racing. We can go to a 640 lift on that. We're running a 570 lift. We're looking for horsepower here, so we're hoping to be around the 150, 150. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna kind of chip away at it this weekend and see if we can get done. But again, we are using what the customer has. This is what we want to capitalize on right now. It's not a cookie cutter setup on this one, and we just want to show that we can use what the customer has and get a good end result for them. We're gonna have some cool music in here, some fun times, a couple laughs maybe. Vinny eating a hot dog, I don't know. Strength. I need that where you grunt, you turn it, you know what I'm saying? Jason, come on with it. We need you in the video. Come on. This is what happens when I ask for help. What do I get? I get nothing. Huh? Oh, did I move it? All right. Anyways, we did a really bad job on filming this one. I got like 2 clips that maybe Prentice will put in this video, and they were probably really, really bad. We've been extremely busy. It's been a great response from everyone. We've been like putting out so many quotes, it's not even funny. The dyno is like filled up almost for the month of October. By Oktoberfest, I think I scheduled way too many dyno tunes. It's gonna be super interesting. So sorry for the lack of content. We kind of put the name out and then we kind of just fell off. But that's all right. We're getting work done.
It's a good problem to have.
It is a very good problem. We love these problems, so keep it coming. I don't even remember what we said before. Did we even do an intro video?
Yes, we did.
Okay, so we did do an intro video.
And we know what's going on it.
So yes, I've got the heads torqued. These are the Screaming Eagle plus one heads that we got from Joey Wells. They are not his heads. They are just massage, new guides. We weld and decked. We set up for compression. I went ahead and ball honed the cylinders, re-ringed them, a new set of CP pistons from Zippers. My deck height, I was a little bit more in the hole than I was anticipating. So I was thinking we're gonna be at 11.7 before. We are gonna be now at 11.5. Totally cool. I'm good with that. So now heads are torqued on. I'm getting ready to put in the 57X cam from Joey Wells right here. Beautiful. So yeah, Prentice is going away for a weekend retreat. Him and his wife, it's his birthday, so say happy birthday to Prentice.
Hey.
So we're kind of making this video tomorrow morning. I'm gonna come in, we're slapping the cam in. New cam bearing, new lifters. He's already got the star cuffs on here. I believe we got a stock plate and pump in this one. So hopefully, I'm hoping tomorrow I can chug away. We've got some injectors, some HPI, 6.2 gram. We are doing a full primary. So we've got all the goodies here from Trask. We're doing billet plate, billet basket, power plate. You know, it's hard to read upside down sometimes. Power plate. So putting that in, star comp, stock tensioner.
What are you doing today?
Hey guys. Hey. So this is where we're at. This is the 128 we've been playing with the past week. Fuel Moto Jackpot 2-in-1 Power Vision. So we are just doing our full pulls. Things looking good. We heat cycled it. Everything went great. The tune worked right in. The 57X is a super aggressive cam. A really awesome idle. Took a little bit of tuning, but this is where we're at as of right now. As of right now,
These are the first rips, right?
Yeah. We still got work to do on that AFR line. I haven't played with a whole lot of the timing on the wide open yet. So I'm just kind of getting the throttle tables dialed in. But 152, this is an SAE. Let's get a forecast. Let's get the weather forecast today. What do we got?
We should do the weather forecast every day.
Yeah, a nice chilly 83 degrees with a very beautiful 63% humidity.
How do you tune bikes with 63%?
It's gross. I don't know. It's been raining for like a week. All right. So anyway,
So all that power,
all the power.
152 squared with 63% humidity. On
Yep.
this thing.
That's no games with the air filter. He's got an older tire, belt drive, stock trans. So I'm not super versed on this Fuel Moto Jackpot, but there is a baffle, and I do see screws, and it says you can maybe remove the baffle. So maybe just for a little bit of fun, we'll just pull that baffle out. It's gonna hurt the bottom end. So I'm probably gonna try to leave it in unless we see like 5 horsepower gain. Then I'm telling Ryan we're gonna send it.
Dude, what do you see? So you see 152 squared.
Yep.
In SAE. What do you see in Florida standard?
So for the Florida correction factor,
The Florida correction factor.
let's go over here. It's just a couple clicks of a button, folks.
Oh wait, this is how you do it.
Tools, options. We're gonna go here to the channels. SAE, drop down to Florida. Click OK. So we're at 152,
Yeah.
and magically, oh my God, we're at a beautiful 155.
155 and 156.
We're fucking knocking it out the park here in Florida. 155, 156 all day. Come see us, Daytona Harley.
MORSE SPEED's gonna use STD. Everyone else uses STD. Look, that's how we're doing it, dude.
I'd rather
155.
have the lower number personally. I mean, whatever your shop runs with, they don't matter. You know, it's just like usually like 3 or 4 horse, difference. But whatever the shop, some guys say, oh, with the sea level here or the humidity here, now we got to run it. It don't matter to me. I've been printing them off both since moving to Florida. I print off one in SAE and one in SCD just because I'll get back upstairs working. Dude comes to pick up his bike. He's like, well, I got to have it in SCD. So I print off both now. Yeah.
So you get both. MORSE
get
SPEED
both.
will give you both.
We will do it.
We're fair. We're loving.
Yes.
Whatever
here
you're
for
happy
you.
with. All right, so we got 152 square or 155, 156,
Yep.
whichever you prefer.
So like I said, we're going to probably dial it in a little bit more. I'm going to add 2 degrees of timing on this next run. I just made changes to my VE tables to get this AFR even more dialed in. I'm going to put this back in SAE so I don't get really excited on my next run. Yeah, so we're going to get that all dialed in. And then I think we have enough time that we can pull that baffle out just for the fun of it.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm all about having the baffle in there. It serves a purpose. But
Does it?
we will see. I
Only
want some
one way to
horsepower.
find-
I want horsepower.
Yeah, that's right. We're doing it. We're performing experiments. We're making
That's right.
sure it works right.
All right, we'll be back.
music started playing. Right?
Yeah, we're here just beating it up. That's all we're doing is just literally beating this thing. That's all right. So Ryan, this is where we ended up so far. Okay, this is with this little baffle in. Yeah, let's stick this out. But these numbers right here have this little baffle. We ended up at 155 on the horsepower and 151 on the torque. That's an SAE. Air fuel line's dialed, timing is dialed. So then for fun, we just took this out. And as of now, okay, we'll leave that one on there. And so as of right now, with the baffle out, 159, 155.
There you go.
And that's an SAE. So for the Florida correction.
Yeah, Florida
let's
correction.
Let's go to the, all right, it's a couple clicks here. Let's go. So 163, 158 with a no baffle. Again, you can kind of see what, what that baffle's doing in there. So when we took the baffle out, this is our blue line. So we went, we had 141 torque at 3,000 RPM. We took the baffle out, you drop down to 121.
Gotcha.
So it's a significant loss of bottom end rideability, readability. This is, but you can see what you gained up here. I mean, a huge amount. So just by removing that.
And this guy, my hunch, you can barely hear me, is probably going to be riding from here to here.
Yeah.
I don't ride like that. Super
Yeah.
slow. What's the European model show?
Yeah. So, I mean, for what it is, it's killer. I'm really going to try to hit that 160 mark. I think we can get it. This is not so much of a kit. It's kind of a hodgepodge we're putting together for him and massaging the parts, but it's just a Screaming Eagle plus one head. It's nothing crazy. Usually on a 128 with some compression and plus two heads, you can be around that 160-ish, low 160 mark. So for being that we just decked them, put new guides in it and did an R&R in the head, a plus one valve from Harley, this is nothing crazy. So if we're making 155 SAE and 158, I mean, how are you mad at that, You're
The
not.
color on that pipe turned out really cool.
Yeah. So I don't know. We haven't really decided which way we're going to leave it yet. It's probably going to run a little without the baffle. I have to retune it. But I don't know. We'll make a bat for both of them, and that way we can swap it out, I guess. I think that's what we'll do.
Good.
Very cool.
So there it is, guys. Boom. STP.